how to become an influencer. Maybe it's something you've thought about. Maybe it's something you've already dived into and you're wondering, how do you exactly do it? I'm going to break for you the 5 steps that it takes to be a successful influencer so you can make it a full-time job. And yes, I said it is a job because it does take a lot of work. And so sometimes we think that, oh, all these influencers, they lead these glamorous lifestyles and they're off on these yachts and they're doing all of these things like the Real Housewives. And you're like, can I really do something like that? And what I will say is those are the rare few, right? Most of us influencers are working very hard because we have a message. We have something that we want to share with our audience. And so that is number one, is you want to find something that you are passionate about, something that you want to help educate your audience in and create a brand. The days of these beauty influencers and they're just posting these beautiful pictures of themselves, those days are gone. And the days of being a content creator and providing value to your audience, that's what people are looking for in 2022. And so, well, it's weird for me to call myself an influencer because I don't think of myself as that like beauty influencer that's posting all these luxury lifestyle photos of myself, because that's not who I am at my core. I am an influencer because I help educate my audience and bring about things that I'm passionate about and take on more of an educational role in my social media. And so what you want to do is you want to find a brand and a message that you want to share with your audience, something that you're passionate about, right? You could be a food blogger, you could be a fitness instructor, you could be a social media influencer teaching social media strategies, business strategies, you name it. As long as you know something about it, you have the ability to influence and help people on their journey to entrepreneurship, to fitness, to weight loss, whatever it may be, right? So the number one thing you need to do is find something that is a passion to you. And then the second thing that I have for you that it's really helped me is there are so many social media platforms out there. It's like, where do you spend your time? And so what I recommend if you are in this influencer space is you can get very overwhelmed with all of the different options. Do you go with TikTok? Do you go with Instagram? Do you go with YouTube? Do you go with, Pinterest, whatever it may be, blogging? Where do you spend your time? And what I would say is get really good and dial in on one social media platform and spend your time there creating killer content, creating killer videos that are going to attract your tribe to you. And so what I would say right now in 2022, TikTok and YouTube are definitely the way to go. They are the trends of the future. I just saw TikTok is very much like growing exponentially in terms of other Snapchats and, Instagram, all of that. TikTok is slowly creeping up to the #1 spot and it's grown exponentially. So if you're looking to build some sort of influence, I would start over on TikTok, honestly, in 2022. And then the third thing that you need to do is you need to find a way to monetize your brand, right? It's great to say that we've got, 75,000 followers over on TikTok, or I've got 5,000 followers plus over here on YouTube, and I've got thousands of followers over on my Facebook. But if I'm not monetizing, then all of this work is not going to pay the bills, so to speak. And so what I'm going to link right over here is the video I made on how influencers are able to monetize their brands, because like I've always said, it is not a popularity contest, right? You want to make an impact with an income if you're showing up here on social media and you want to be able to help as many people as possible, but you also want to make a living. So make sure you click on that video. And then the fourth thing that influencers get wrong is a lot of times we say, well, we don't want to give away all of our value that we have, because then nobody's going to want to buy our offers. And what I can say is being an influencer in 2022 is about giving. It's about giving more than you're taking. And when you start to give and you give all your value away, what happens is you attract people to you and they will buy anything that you put in front of them because you've created that like, know, and trust factor. So make sure you are providing massive value to your audience. Do not hold back from providing as much value as you possibly can to help them. And then what you want to do for your fifth step as an influencer is once you've started to create that content and you've got 100 subscribers, 100 followers, 1,000 followers, then you need to start doing some reach outs and make a list of what brands you want to associate yourself with, which brands do you want to affiliate yourself with, and be more proactive versus reactive. So what I mean by that is, go out and reach out to those brands and let them know that you're interested in some sort of partnership and see if they're open to taking a look at combining some sort of paid partnership or some sort of affiliate partnership. Again, my other video on how to monetize your influence is going to help you a ton. And what I can say is then you could also see if some of the brands that you really like that you're already sharing in your videos, see if they have affiliate offers that you can already provide to your audience. So you want to be doing some reach outs. You need to be a little bit more proactive. Start making a list of companies that you would love to be affiliated with or have some sort of partnership as an influencer, and then start cultivating those relationships. And if you're interested in more influencer marketing videos, I want to hear from you in the comments below. What is your niche in the influencer marketing? And if you'd like more videos like this, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and I will see you for your next video. And hey, this is Julie Reynolds with Julie Reynolds TV.